Open Stitch and Figma in your browser and log into your accounts. In Figma, open a pre-existing project or create a new blank file. Once your workspace is ready, open a new tab and search for the Stitch to Figma plugin on the Figma community website. Click Open In and select your current project to install and launch the plugin. When the pop-up appears, click Run. The tool will ask you to upload a zip file. To get this, go back to your Stitch dashboard, click the navigation bar at the top left, and select Download Project. Save the file to your PC. Go back to the Figma plugin window and click Browse to upload the zip file you just downloaded. Make sure to match the target platform in import source settings to your specific design, such as mobile or HTML. Once the file processes, you can review the preview code in Node Tree. If everything looks correct, click Add All to import your screens. You can also choose to include preview images next to each screen by checking the box. Hit Add, wait for the success message, and your Stitch design is now fully editable in Figma. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.